Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP Ink Tank Wireless 410 series, and now I'm gonna show you how to print print color quality diagnostic. So in this way you can check how your printer printing colors and black and white grades. So to do it, just click and hold on this colored copy button, click and hold, wait a while until power button starts blinking, and just wait. And great, as you can see here, my cyan colors, magenta, yellow, light cyan, light magenta and light yellow colors, my black grade. If the lines below are correct, a line printer from HP software. Okay, if the printer appears to be working. Okay, so as you can see, I have all right, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.